grade, Miss Gansko here. Thank you for joining us today for Number Corner. I hope that you have been enjoying the outside weather as much as I have, but make sure that you don't get blown over by that wind that's been coming. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Let's do that one more time. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. I want you to think about what's behind our card for today while I put in our date. Okay, boys and girls, let's flip over our card. Let's hear that drum roll. And, ooh, what kind of figure do we have here, that shape? How many sides do we have? Let's make that a little bit bigger so we can see. There. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides on our figure is called a pentagon. This one might not look like a pentagon, but it still has 5 sides. So we have our pentagon here. Okay, so looking over at our observation chart, we're going to put in pentagon. And now we're thinking of how many folds can we have in our pentagon, this crazy looking pentagon, with equal parts. And so we're wanting to see if we can fold it with equal parts. So let's try, how about tip to the top. Okay, look, there's that half. There's here, would that be equal? Nope, I don't see same shape or same size. I don't see that congruent when we have something that's the same shape and same size. So let's go and let's try sideways. And looking right here, I still see some white covering there on both sides. And so I still do not see any congruent. So I cannot fold this pentagon into equal parts. And on our observation chart, we're going to put an X for 0. We could not do that. So knowing that we could not fold it into any equal parts, do we have a line of symmetry, or is our figure symmetrical? No, it's not. If you said no, say me too, me too. No, we do not have a symmetrical shape. So I put no in there. Hey, let's look at Saturday. Let's think. What do you think Saturday would be for April 4th? And let's flip over that card. Here we go. What could it be? Ooh, think of that figure. How many sides do we have in that figure? We've been learning a new math term for a figure that has 4 sides. Can you remember what that was? We visited it on Wednesday here. They have something in common. That's right, they do have 4 sides. So with those 4 sides, we call it a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral meaning it has 4 sides and 2 of them are parallel. They will never ever meet. So let's look over here at our quadrilateral for today. If we fold it, how many equal parts would we fold it? If we folded it, I know that I can see if I can fold it our lengthways. Okay, I have equal folds there. So there's 1. I have 1, 2, exactly 2 folds into 2 equal parts. Let's see if we can do it one more time from our bottom to top there. And looking there, I also have folding into equal parts. So let's count how many times that was. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 fourths there. So it folds into at least 4 parts. I'm putting that X in our observation chart, at least 4 equal parts in there. So remember, boys and girls, that if we have those 4 equal parts, it is fourths. 1/4, fourths. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 equals 1 whole. If I look at my number sentence here from the other day, just like our quadrilateral that we had on Wednesday, we have 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 4/4, or we call it 1 whole. Okay, knowing that we had those equal parts that we were folding it into, we do have some lines here that would have congruent shapes on both sides. So is our shape symmetrical? Is it symmetrical? Yes, it is. Great job, boys and girls. It is symmetrical, so I'm going to put a yes there. Okay, let's look at Sundays. Sunday the 5th. I want you to think, what figure do you think is going to be behind that number 5? I put in today's date, or the date of Sunday. Flipping it over. Ooh, we have a figure that's the shape of the letter E. Looking at the letter E there, let's make it a little bit bigger. How many sides do we have here? And I'll show you my letter E. Let's count those sides together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sides. The figure is called a dodecagon. Can you say that with me? Dodecagon. Okay. With our dodecagon, we want to see how many ways we can fold it again. So we could fold it where our horizontal lines come this way. And if I fold those in, do we have a symmetrical shape? Or do we have equal parts? I'm sorry, equal parts. No, we do not. We do have some gaps here in between. So I'm going to undo that letter E. And now maybe let's try going from top to bottom. All right, top to bottom, if I go there, yes, we do. We do have it fold into, if I unfold it, 2 equal parts there. You can see that line. There would be 2 congruent parts. So we're going to put an X in exactly 2 there. Now, knowing that we have those 2 equal parts, is our shape symmetrical? Yes, it is. We do have 2 congruent. They match exactly the same size, same shape. So we're going to put a yes in there. Ooh, boys and girls, I'm starting to see a pattern. Yes, yes, no, yes, yes. Ooh, let's see if it still continues later on. And going into how many days we have been learning. Remember, if we see that full 100 chart here, all those X's all filled up, we have 100, and then we can count by tens here. 110, 120, 130, 140. If we add for today, let's choose a new color, and we're going to choose orange for this column. How many days now have we been in school? If we had 140, we added 1 more. What is that? That is right, 141 days. Let's also practice counting by 25s to 141. We have 25 here, 50, 75, 100, 125 gets us to halfway. And now we can't go to 150, 130, 135, 140, and 141. Been in school for 141 days. So looking at our how many days we've been in school chart, we have our 10 tens for 100, And we had our 4 10s here for 140 from yesterday. But if we have one more day, what am I going to have to add to our drawing? That's right, we're going to have to add a 1s. So let's make our 1s. Drawing a 1s there. So now we have 141. Let's change our expression here of our math sentence for 140 from yesterday to 141. I want you to think, what are we going to have to change in our extended notation? That is correct. We need to change this 0 to a 1. So let's go back, put plus 1 equals 141. Nice job, boys and girls. Now let's look at our subtraction expression. We have 150 take away 10 equals 140. If we go back and look at our chart, we do have a difference here of now, that's right, 9. So we would need to take away 9 to get to that 141 from the top at 150 here. So going here, let's change. Take away 9 equals 141. Nice job, boys and girls. I would love for you to show us, teachers, what you have been working on, what expression and number sentences you could make for 141. So make sure that you take a picture, share it with us, and show your parents also all that great math genius work that you're doing. Let's go over to our popsicle sticks collection sheet. Yesterday we had collected a total of 8 popsicle sticks. If we look at our tally marks, we have 5 and 6, 7, 8. So today we're going to spin again. And we have 5. So we're going to add 5 popsicle sticks in there. Let's put in 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 we want to add to our tallies, and we're still in blue. 1, oh, now we have to close the door. 2, 3, 4, 5. If we look at our tallies, we do have a whole group of 10 here. A group of 10, 2 groups of 5 equals 10. Looking over at our bundles, we have 1, a bundle of 10, and a bundle of 100. What could we change with our popsicle sticks to lessen the amount here, but still equal the same by trading 1 with a bundle? That is right. We could put in a bundle of 10. We'd have a bundle of 10, but we would still need to keep 3 of our popsicle sticks for the 13. 10 and 3 is 13. So let's take away some of our popsicle sticks. And we want to save the 3 1s. There we go. And we'll put our bundle of 10 here. We're knowing that 10 and 3 more is 13. I'm going to also go ahead and circle there so we know that this is also that group of 10. We need to record that on week 1, we had a total of 13 popsicle sticks that we collected. Nice job, boys and girls. Today you did fabulous. You're so magical over the unicorn. I hope to see you guys after spring break. You guys enjoy and take care. Bye, first grade.